I've got my new exhaust from Fuel Exhaust to replace the old Honda. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, this is the Fuel Exhaust Limited F1R for road use brushed stainless steel oval MicroMini exhaust. See, here comes the infamous cake, neck warmer sticker upside down, sorry Fuel. And there we are, we can see the micro in relation to the stock exhaust. And that looks like the 2-into-1 pipe. Looks pretty well made. And the instructions, just one page. So what could go wrong? Something that I'm particularly pleased with, it actually comes with this bracket which acts as a center stand stop, which is something which I definitely want to retain. So that's a godsend having that built in. I just need to get the rubber stop in there. Well, that took about 5 seconds to fit. And there you can see the center stand bracket. Looks well made. Something that's really neat, remove this guard and they supply you with a bracket that fits perfectly, and use that to support the exhaust. As you can see, that just fits over perfectly and ready for the slide on bracket. Well, there's good news and there's bad news. The good news is that it fitted in ever so easily, very well designed piece of kit. I hope it performs and lasts as long as I want it to. The bad news is it was so simple and easy to fit. I can't spend 2 or 3 hours out here doing something. I've now got to go and cut the grass. And you can see how the bracket on the exhaust stops the kickstand. Just need to put a rubber on that so it's not metal to metal. All we need to do now is start it up and see what it sounds like. So the all important question is, what does it sound like now? Given a reading of around 90 dBA. Thank you, Fuel Exhausts. Dead impressed.